Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mendix Widget Workshop. In our first episode, we set up your PC for custom widget development. Today we are diving into what all those files mean when you generate a new widget project. Let's break it down. So first open your Mendix project. So I have already opened this and go to your app and show app directory in Explorer. Here all the projects directory store. So create your widget folder. So I'm creating new. I'm giving name pluggable custom widget. You can give any name. Open this folder and open this folder in the CMD. So now we will write command for generating custom widget. So yo @mendix slash widget and your widget name. So I am giving sample text and hit enter. If you want to change your widget name, you can retype here. If not, hit enter. If you want to give some description, I am giving learn about folder structure. Hit enter. Organization name you can give anything, copyright anything, license by default. Enter and initial version you can enter. You can give your name for author and default project part. Enter. You can select your language. I am selecting TypeScript. You can select class component or function components. So I am selecting function components. Here you can select whether you are creating widget for web or native apps. So for now we are creating for web. So I am selecting web and hit enter and select empty widget and hit enter. For unit testing, you can type no, hit enter. End-to-end test for widget, you can type no and hit enter. Now this will create our widget. Wait around 5 to 7 minutes. So our widget successfully created. Close this terminal. Go to your widget folder. Right click on it. Show all over. Open this with VS Code as I trust. So when you create your widget, the folder structure look like this. So let's dive in what the folder means. So first folder is dist. This folder contains our build output. Inside this we can see our versions of the widgets, and inside the version folder we can see our widgets mpk file. And the tmp folder stores temporary files during build process, and the node modules folder contains all the packages. After that, the source folder holds all the projects related files. So inside this source folder, we will work. So first we will see the component folder. Inside the component folder, we will divide our code in different components and store here. And after that, we will see the UI folder. Inside we inside this folder we create all the CSS files, and after that we can see the project package XML file. So in this file, we can see the widget file XML, the starting file, and also we can see the version number. If you want to create build your widget from another button, you can change here. So after that, we can see the sample text.editor config file. In this file, what we can do, we can create preview, and also we can show some errors after getting checked or verified. We can use these two functions. After that, sample text.editor view file. So in this file, we can write code that will show here in your Mendix project the design mode. When you select design mode, you can see your widgets content. So if you want to show your widgets content live in design mode, you can write here. After that, sample text.txt file. This is our main file. First, this file will run faster. So mostly we will work on in this file. After that, the sample text.xml. In this file, we can define our widget name, description, and icon, and also all the properties that are needed for our widget creation that are defined here. After we have typing folder, inside the typing folder, auto generate TypeScript definition. So here, and first one more file we needed, the package.json. In this file, we can see all the different dependencies that are needed by the project, and also script for build or run your widgets. And you can see your widget's name here and version number. So that's all for the project structure. Now you can thinking, where can I see my widget? So first, go to your Mendix modeler and structure mode. So go to toolbox and scroll down. Here you can see your widgets, the sample widget in the add-ons. If you are not seeing this, so go to app, Singular app directory. Still you won't see your widgets here, and then create on first module and right click on this and add a page and add a blank page. Select blank page template and click OK. Now you can see your widgets here. So these are the steps to create your first widget, and now you have understand the project structure. So in the next video we will create our new widget and